well-known pop star Michael Bublé is also on the show for a third time. Alan Reed is the...
How did Bob... Did he just run into him?
Yes, he did.
That was dumb.
And they're going to keep going.
Wait. Holy crap.
And he's going.
Well, that guy ain't fussing about it either.
Because he hit his thing. The way he hit it, dude, it could have thrown it off back.
No brake lights. There it is.
That is positively wretched. I'm impressed. Good. Kaladin looked at his men. Drehy winced. Shalon wrapped Adolin in light. He resolved into a sturdy, handsome man in his 60s with dark brown skin, white hair, and a lean figure.
Oh my god. He's running from the cop. Where'd the cop go?
I don't know.
Okay.
What the fuck? Yeah.
That him? That's him. That's him.
Is it? Oh shit, right.
Tell him.
Heck, holy fuck.
What are you About to turn in. Yeah.
Oh, fuck! I just got in an accident. Yeah, car's totaled.
To finding the Romanov scepter when this charming lady detoured us with her romantic notions? Come, what say you, Joel, eh?
You mean we
Yes,
go to...
yes, Joel, to Samar.
From January of 1948, a great episode of Suspense, indeed based on one of the greatest movies never made. After the success of the Humphrey Bogart and Sam Spade film The Maltese Falcon, talks of a sequel were heard. And after World War